Have you ever listened to someone speak English and you can hear every single word clearly, but still have no idea what they're actually saying? That's totally normal, and here's why. Understanding a language is not just about hearing individual words. It's about understanding how those words work together in real-life speech. Native speakers often speak fast, connect words, and use phrases or slang that aren't in textbooks. So even if you hear each word, you might miss the meaning behind the sentence. Also, your brain needs time to process what you hear, and in fast conversation, that can be hard. If you're always trying to translate in your head, you'll fall behind and feel lost. The key is to train your ears and your brain to understand chunks of language, not just words. Watch real-life videos, listen to natural conversations, learn common expressions, and give your brain time to adjust. So remember, hearing the words is just the first step. Understanding comes with practice, exposure, and learning how English really works in the real world.